Happy 4th of July, everybody. Turns out we found a misspelled sign in Springfield.
How do you misspell Springfield? How do you misspell the name of the town?
Springfield. Do you know what makes it as Springfield? I-E.
Wait, let's try to sound it out together.
Springfield.
That
Exactly.
can't possibly be right. There's a rule for this. I before E.
Except for field.
Yeah.
Dummy, go look it up on
No,
the dummy
I can't
book.
be the dummy. It's not my sign, baby.
Yeah, it is your sign.
Siri would have a conniption fit right now.
She would?
Yeah. You see, ask her, Siri, how do you spell Springfield? And see what she comes back with.
Okay. Siri, how the heck do you spell Springfield?
I do not know, but I could check online for you.
God, Siri, you do not work right.
I bet you say that to all the virtual assistants. Springfield. They got dollar right. Look, they spelled dollar right.
Why can't they just get Springfield right?
Oh, I don't know. They got that's spelled right. Dollar.
Fireworks?
Yeah, they did good there.
And
Next
the only
to-
thing they messed up is Springfield.
So maybe they're German.
German?
Okay, all right.
Okay, maybe they're German. Okay.
Well, they use like I's and E's in weird ways.
Yeah, you're right. German does.
Hey, let's go get some white paint. This is what we need. We need a strike through and a correction.
Excuse me?
Yeah, let's go get some white paint, and we'll put the white paint over the E.
But then there would be a big gap there.
Wait a minute, this ain't even our sign. This is not our problem. Let's get out of here. We're gonna get arrested for sign jacking or something.
Yeah. Anyway.
All right,
Oh, look at the
turn
little
it
kitty
off.
puppy.